Hello everyone, it's Billy. Welcome or welcome back to my channel where testing affordable beauty products or drugstore beauty products, and I hope that you are doing good. So today's video I'm going to do this makeup look, which is Peachy easy makeup look for beginner, and of course all of the products that I use is from drugstore. So if you guys would like to know how I create this look, please keep on watching. Alright, now you will see everything. So because I would like to go out and I just don't want to put too much foundation because I want my skin to, you know, breathe. And as you can see, yes, I do have some blemishes, but I don't mind about that because I used to wearing a lot of makeup. That's why today I just would like to let my skin rest and can breathe and hidden themselves. So yes, back to my eyes. So I'm going to start with this lipstick from L'Oreal. So I hope that you can see it's L'Oreal Ultra Matte liquid lipstick in number 862. So I'm going to start to tap this lipstick into my eyes. So then today we are going to using two palettes from Makeup Revolution, which is these two palettes right here. This one is Makeup Revolution Foil Fusion, and this one, as you already know, it's my favorite of all time, which is Makeup Revolution So collab with Revolution. I think this one is the first one, is the first original one. So I'm going to start with this palette first, and I'm going to use this color. As you can see, I use it quite a lot. I'm going to use this color first and then follow with this brighter color. So I just would like to put this color all over my eyelids again and then put this one on the top. So now is the time to using these palettes. I'm going to start with, I think this one is a cup of tea. Using this color and put it on my crease. And then I would like to make my outer corner dark a little bit, so I'm going to use this one. I believe it's called Tiramisu. Then I'm going to use a blending brush to blend everything together. So now I'm going to do kind of like a soft liner using this brown matte right here with kind of like a little brush like this. Then for my inner corner, I'm going to use this color called Fairy Light. So for my mascara, I'm going to use this one, which is Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara, and follow with L'Oreal Large Paradise. I already contour my face using Makeup Revolution Roxy palette, and also using a highlights that come with these palettes as well. So for my cheek, I'm going to use this one, which is a Clinique Cheek Pop in Ginger Pop. And I'm going to bring the brush to my nose as well. For my lip, I'm going to use L'Oreal, I believe this one, Rouge Signature in a number 113. And this is a finished look, which is a peachy, easy makeup look. So if you have any favorite products from drugstore that you love, you could tell me in the comment. Also, if you have any questions, you could ask me any questions with hashtag rinse questions. Thank you so much for watching and see you next video. Bye!